Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the top most affiliate marketing or affiliate programs in worldwide and the highest paying commission ever. So I selected these are the top most affiliate programs ever in 2022. So today I will show you about all the affiliate programs, how can you join and how can you get commission, how can you earn money and all types of passive money from the affiliate marketing. I will share you and I will show you the all website. How can you apply? Okay. So my channel always make for the make money related. So you can subscribe me and always beside on me so that if any video will publish, then you will grab this opportunity and you will see a lot of passive earning and make money in Asia. So today the main subject is here. Now I want to start the affiliate marketing, which I want to start the affiliate marketing website, which you will see and you can apply. So the first name is the HubSpot. You already seen in my dashboard. Its name is HubSpot. Just go to this website and here you will get your affiliate link affiliate programs. You can apply here. You can see that you will get a commission rate 15% or 100%. It's recurring income of 7 average commission payout. You see that 276 90-day generous cookie. Wow, it's very important. Cookie. I think everyone know cookie policy is very high, 90-day. So you can apply from the at the dashboard and you will see the affiliate the programs. You already seen the affiliate programs. Yeah, right. So this you can apply here. Okay. So its name is HubSpot. Just uh, you just note it here and you can apply here. Or else I will give you a link in my description link. The next one is name is Elementor, the world famous and best affiliate marketing ever. Let me show you the commission about affiliate marketing in Elementor. You already seen in my dashboard here a lot of bonuses already shown. So let me show you the monthly income system and recurring. If you will sell at the CPA rate, then 70 is 50% CPA rate. Okay, and how can you apply? Go to the at the link at the down. Here you will see your affiliate link, or here you will see your affiliate programs. You can apply. Yeah, right. This is the affiliate program. So just noted it. It's elementor.com. The next one is name is Iver. Yeah, it's very famous affiliate marketing website Iver. Okay, let me show you the commission system in the commission junction or the recurring system. If you sell this product from this product software, you will get 50% or referral programs and you will get a recurring income also. So you already see that 6,000 year per year they pays. Okay, so it's highest. I think it's the highest affiliate marketing ever. So just go to the down section and here you see your affiliate marketing programs. Okay, it's maybe customer referral. Yeah. So the next name is I want to share with you standinblue.com. I think you don't know this website, so just note from today now and just apply here. Okay, you will get the monthly commission and recurring income here. Here a lot of opportunities are here. You will see. Just go to the here and apply the affiliate marketing. You will see at the corner where you will see the affiliate marketing status here. You can apply. You can just find out it. The next one name is ConvertKit. Let me show you the ConvertKit.com. It's cookie policy 30 day. You will get your commission 30% recurring income. Suppose one customer uh, click on your affiliate link and he buy or he buy from your site. If he or she buy after 1 year, he will get also recurring income because recurring means whenever he want to purchase, you will get commission. So it's nice system recurring. So I think it's very suitable for you. It's recurring system here, and you already see in the dashboard that become an affiliate. Just apply here and you get it link. Okay. So the next one is getresponse.com, the email marketing autoresponder. It's very famous now worldwide. Just see here. Its name is getresponse.com. If you want to join this program, go to my description link here. I will give you the link and you can join from here and you will get a lot of sales. You just see that 33% 3% recurring income and bonus program is 100. So much highest paid ever. It's very paid ever you can withdraw. So I think just why you are going to the rate, just uh, join from tomorrow and you can earn money. Okay, you can earn money from tomorrow. You will get 33% recurring income. One time $100 commission. I think it's highest paid ever. Get response.com. Go to my description here. You'll get the link. Okay. The next one is Fiverr. I think most of the person know the Fiverr.com. They also offer you the best affiliate program ever. I also joined and I got commission ever also. The the best affiliate marketing ever. The Fiverr. Yeah. So why are you very late? Today join here. You can hire anyone or you can earn anyone or you can here a lot of steps you can first. If you want to open a gig, then you can do the work here and you can earn. If you want to hire anyone, then you can do also. And if you want to do affiliate anything, then you can do also. So I think Fiverr give you the best opportunity wants to earn like give and take. Okay. So why are you going to this so late? Go to my description link. Go to my description link. Here you get you after link and you can join. Okay. The next one is Pebble.com. Okay. I think you already know about this software or about the website. 30% recurring income, cookie life 30 days. Yeah, Pebble.com. 30% commission on any 40 days. So it's very fun. So you already saw seeing in my dashboard. It's cookie life 30 days and 30% recurring income. So its name is Pebble. Just noted it. Okay. Next one is Unbounce.com. Very famous affiliate program ever. Unbounce.com. 20% recurring income, every revenue from every customer. 90 days cookie life is very important. 90 days. Within 90 days, if anyone will buy from you, then you will also get commission. So I think cookie life is very high and high paid also even. So go to here and just see 20% recurring every referral. Get paid for being forward, carry, and get paid. Yeah. So join from today and earn money. Okay. You already see there refer 10 people, 320 month, 80 month, refer 50 and 1,600 comments. So very high payout figure. Now the next one name is constant contact. So let me show you about that. You will get 5 for each referral in 120 days. It's very high cookie life. If any cookie life will be high, then your income will be also get very high and your income also fixed because webinar is very important for every customer to increase your income. So I think it's very important. So just see here, its name is constant contact working, and here you will go through this website and just play a program, and you will get approved. After that, you will get earned from here. So I think these 10 affiliate programs will help you a lot to earn money like 200 USD, 300 USD per month if you want to promote more than your income would be double. So where are you going to get late join from today and earn money? So I think this video will help you a lot to earn money online from the affiliate marketing is content to basic online income. So my channel is uh, included here all the passive income, make money, and the daily income. Yeah, it's really fixed. So, why are you going to the late? Just subscribe my channel and beside with me. Thank you very much for enjoying my video. See you everyone.